Hello beautiful people, let's revive our hair and get those curls popping. I'm Tyrese Lynn and we're back at it again with another self-care video. First, we're going to mist our hair with water. My water is mixed with a little dab of Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, and we're going to use this because it helps hydrate the hair and activate those curls. Next, we're going to use African Pride Olive Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. I'm using a copious amount so my hair can be weighed down a little bit and also hydrated because we want to revive and reactivate those curls. So make sure to rub all over your hair from roots to ends, and I got a little bit on my shirt. So we're going to make sure to smooth that all in. And just take your time with this because if you've had your hair dry for a little while, for my hair, I had my hair in flat twists for like a few days, so it's really dry. So I'm just working the conditioner in and getting it everywhere, scrunching it in and trying to really work the product into the hair shafts as much as possible. As you can see, I'm being very gentle with how I'm manipulating my hair and rubbing the product into my hair, because one of my goals is to have hair that's past my waist, and in order to grow that hair that long, I have to make sure to be gentle and not cause unnecessary breakage. So we're going to continue to apply more product and just saturate the hair with as much product as we feel the hair needs. Wait a second, let's just take a minute to look at how my curls are already coming back to life. When I tell you hydration is one of the major keys to make your curls come back, you have to make sure to moisturize your hair with water first and then go ahead and add your products by layering. Right here, I'm using Tresemme Extra Strength Mousse, and this is a wonderful product for a nice light hold. So mousse is one of my favorite products to make my curls come alive, and it has an amazing ability to set that style in place. So what you just saw me doing was actually distributing the mousse into my hair, and I started to detangle at this point and distribute the product at this point because this mousse has an incredible ability to help with detangling. It kind of gives a slip to my hair that doesn't quite work with anything else. So that's the method I found out through trial and error. And now that I'm kind of distributing it with my hands, I'm going to move on to the next section and detangle once more with the mousse and help once again distribute that product from the roots to the ends of my hair for a uniform curl throughout my hair. I want it to look like it's defined at the same level of definition. So with the detangling process, it helps make my curls look pretty uniform rather than one section having less definition than the other, which sometimes does happen if I don't take my time with this detangling process. So that's just a tip that you can use when you are styling your hair. All right now, so we're gonna finish this look with some LA Looks gel, and this will ensure that the curls stay looking fly, on point, popping, hydrated, just marvelous for at least 2 days. Now I'm going to add a little more LA Looks gel just to make sure that my hair is evenly coated and shake my hair around to help the curls come back to life even more. So the process of shaking your hair really does help to activate the style, and it's one of my favorite methods for bringing my curls back without using any tools like a dimming brush, for example. And that's the entire process of reviving your curls. Another method I'm using here is called the shingling method, where you take small sections of hair and rub it between your hands to help with definition. This section of my hair that I'm rubbing right now is one of the most frizziest and challenging sections of my hair, but I can combat that with the shingling method. Give it a try if you haven't already and let me know how it works for you. Now that our curls are back, we're going to take some time to style our hair to give a nice look for the day. I like to give myself a side part and then brush that section down and then just bobby pin the section of my hair that I brushed down for a very chic, clean look. Hey, you're still here. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. We have more tips and tricks for this video, so stay tuned until the end. You will see how to style your hair in multiple ways instead of just being stuck with a middle part. I've been wearing this style for years, and now that I finished that side, I also like to brush down the other side of my hair. Lastly, going to seal my hair with some oil. I use the Lock Therapy oil, and that's just going to help keep the moisture in the hair for more than just an hour. My hair is high porosity, so it dries out quickly, but with the incorporation of the oil, it helps seal in that moisture for a longer period of time. Now let's lay these edges and slay them on down with some edge control. I'm using Eden's coconut edge control. First, it's not really doing much for me, but I like to take my spray bottle and spray it with a little water, spray my toothbrush with a little water, and then that's when we have the magic of the water and the edge control coming together to create a nice, flat, sleek look. I'm finishing up style 1, and once you see the complete look, you can also keep watching to see style 2 and 3 as different options for hairstyles. So this is what we're working with, and now we're moving on to style 2. And it's basically a manipulation of shape to give a specific look and shape to your face to frame it. Now we're gonna move on to style 3, and this includes using a pick to raise your roots and give more volume. You can tailor these looks to fit your needs. These are just some options that can be helpful in giving you the style and the personality that you'd like in your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to come. It really means a lot to me when you all leave thoughtful comments and subscribe to help my channel grow. Love you guys. Until next time.